Hey there, and welcome to Chow's Rambling with Insights, another episode. And apparently I just learned that Instagram has this rule where if the video is over 3 minutes long, then they do not promote it to new people, right? They just show it to your existing followers. So I'm gonna see if I can keep it under 3 minutes. If I do, that's great. If not, then not. So maybe slightly more insights and less rambling if we're gonna talk about that. So as of this filming, because I post these Chow's Rambling with Insight in different platforms at different time periods, just based on operational fluidity. Our Kickstarter for my second book, 10,000 Hours of Play, has launched, and we actually hit our goals within 5 hours of the launch. So, but it's it's not a super high number. It's $15,000, and now I think maybe like 10 days has gone by, and we're about 250% overstretching that goal. I still think it's lower than what I expected. A big reason is actually the week before the launch, where it's the most important, right? It's most important to set up everything, do all the promotion. I was in Ukraine. Some of you have seen my other videos. I was in Ukraine and exploring with Zelensky's team how to rebuild Ukraine after the war. With gamification, so that obviously was very distracting, hiding in shelters with drone attacks every night, stuff like that. So I think it's not going to be seen as a failure in general, but I think so far it is not as high as I would like it to be. And I kind of, if you watch some of my old Chow Rambling with Insight, you'll see that I had quite high goals. And so in comparison, it's much lower. So if you've seen that, then you might feel like, hey, this is not cool. This is not, Yukai Chou didn't reach the goal he wanted, not even close, right? Still not over yet, but that's the situation. So I think the insight topic today I wanted to cover was more related to what happens when you feel like you're not doing as well as you want, and you might get some public, not even humiliation, just people just being disappointed, right? Or people looking down upon you. And the way I get over this is I now call it the what's for breakfast syndrome, which is, even if people are like, hey, I thought Yukai Chou was like good at what he does. Why is it not as successful as I want? Maybe he's not that good, right? So that's like, oh, that's so sad. But basically they are still like, say, hey, what's for breakfast? And right after. So basically, your success, how good you are, how people view you, is less important than the breakfast they are having. So because it's really not that big of a deal for these people, why would it? Hold on, there's some drama for the car driving. So yeah, there was some complications. So, and that complication has led me to be distracted and go over 3 minutes. So either we'll have to edit this a little bit, or we just let it run and go over 3 minutes. It's very hard, right, when I want to actually share a lesson. But so if you get my drift, it's like, this is your life. It's your quest. It's the thing you want to do. It's important for you, like launching a second book, starting a new career, doing a blog, launching something, like throwing something unique into the world that represents you, right? It's important for you. For other people, even if people are disappointed, they're like, oh, like it sucks. Oh, this person not as good as I thought. Really, you're really not as important as what they're gonna have for breakfast or for lunch right after. So why would you let that stop you from pursuing your dreams? Stop you from doing what makes you happy and that helps you grow and learn and become successful. So no matter how people view you, how people might judge you, you still want to play your 10,000 hours of play. That's the title of the book. All right, anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.